Meaning of hang up.
Hang up.
Hang up.
Hang up.
Hang up. The term hang up can have various meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to an obstacle or difficulty that prevents progress or creates frustration. For example, in telecommunications, a hang up is when someone abruptly ends a phone call. In psychology, a hang up refers to an obsession or fixation on a particular issue or situation. In popular culture, a hang-up can denote a certain quirk or idiosyncrasy that a person has. Overall, hang-ups are negative aspects of life that can cause problems and hinder personal growth if not addressed properly.